Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you the immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. It is a critical part of our body's defense system and plays a key role in maintaining overall health and well-being. So, before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here's some points. 1. Innate immunity. This is the first line of defense and includes physical barriers such as the skin and mucous membranes, as well as immune cells like neutrophils, macrophages, and natural killer cells. These cells can quickly recognize and respond to pathogens. 2. Adaptive immunity. This is a more specific and targeted response that develops over time. It involves specialized immune cells, called T and B lymphocytes. When a pathogen is detected, these cells create antibodies that specifically target and neutralize the invader. 3. Antigen presentation. Immune cells called antigen-presenting cells, APCs, engulf pathogens and display pieces of them, known as antigens, on their surface. This helps activate other immune cells and coordinate a more targeted response. 4. Cell-mediated immunity. T lymphocytes are responsible for cell-mediated immunity. They can directly kill infected cells and regulate the immune response. 5. Humoral immunity. B lymphocytes are responsible for humoral immunity. They produce antibodies that can bind to pathogens, marking them for destruction by other immune cells. 6. Memory response. After an initial exposure to a pathogen, the immune system can create a memory of that pathogen. This allows for a faster and more effective response upon subsequent exposures, providing immunity. 7. Regulation and tolerance. The immune system is also capable of distinguishing between harmful pathogens and the body's own cells. It has mechanisms in place to prevent attacking healthy tissues and to maintain immune tolerance. 8. Inflammation. Inflammation is a key component of the immune response. It helps to recruit immune cells to the site of infection, remove damaged cells, and promote healing. Overall, the immune system is a highly sophisticated and coordinated defense mechanism that works tirelessly to protect the body from infections and maintain overall health. It is essential to support the immune system through a healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Take care yourself and also care yours nearest surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks. Bye. See you again. Love you all.